Hey guys, it's Fletch from All Things Overlanding here with Dakota from Oscar Mike. He's going to tell us a little bit about what they do, kind of what Oscar Mike is all about, so go for it.
What's up guys, I'm Dakota with Oscar Mike Overland. So we are a nonprofit organization, a 501c3. Our mission is to support veterans by means of adventure therapy and getting them on the move. So we take veterans camping, overlanding, outdoors, adventuring, all that good stuff. And it's just a way to get them outdoors and let them have some fun and escape the real world. Come hang out, go to Arkansas, Texas, Missouri's got some good spots, Kansas, just all over the U.S.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love the mission. I love the idea of it. It's really cool. So thanks to Dakota for hanging out today. Again, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what they do. I'll put links in the description down below to all their stuff, so go check them out, subscribe, hang out with them, and check out their events. All right, guys, so as you just heard from Dakota from Oscar Mike Overland, these guys have an amazing mission. I've seen them the last couple of years at MOORE Expo, just a super fun group of guys. But I love their mission, right? Like, I love that they are dedicated to helping veterans and, getting them out and overlanding and camping. It just like it's the same for me, right? Like, just to get away from the stresses of a normal job, let alone veterans who have been through a lot and maybe have a hard time coping with like a day-to-day stresses. It's an amazing thing that they're doing, taking that time to get them out and help them through overlanding and camping and getting out into nature. So I love their mission. So definitely click through those links in the description below. They've got some merch and things like that. They've got trips. Of course, also down in the description below are links to my Facebook, Instagram. All things overlanding is everywhere. So wherever you want to come hang out, I'd love to have you. If you liked this video, click the like button. If you aren't already, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do stuff like this, do-it-yourself stuff, weekend warrior style, budget mods, all kinds of stuff, gear reviews. So if you're into any of that stuff, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But thanks again for watching, and go check out Oscar Mike Overland. And now that you've learned more about Oscar Mike Overland, make sure to check out these other two videos that are also from the MOORE Expo 2022.